Welcome to chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about thermodynamics. Grade 11, chapter thermodynamics. Okay, so here first we have to understand thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means branch of chemistry which deals interrelation between work, energy of a chemical reaction. So first we have to understand here thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means interrelation of heat and work of a chemical reaction. Interrelation of heat and work of a chemical reaction. Okay. And here energy stored in a molecule can be released in the form of heat during chemical reaction. We know different molecules, they have energy. This energy stored in a molecule can be released in the form of heat during chemical reaction. For example, methane or any type of fuels, after burn it produce energy. After burning fuels it producing energy in the form of heat. Okay, in this chapter we will learn how to determine energy change in a chemical reaction. In this chapter we will learn how to determine energy change in a chemical reaction. Also we will learn some basic terms in this chapter. Basic terms such as system, surrounding, internal energy, extensive properties, intensive property, entropy, enthalpy, path function, state function. This type of terms we will learn in this chapter. Okay, next one we have to understand here system and surrounding. System and surrounding. System mean part of universe in which experiment is made. Part of universe in which observation is made. Such part of universe called system. Remaining part of system called surrounding. Remaining part of system, surrounding. See here one example. Here one beaker. In this beaker, imagine inside this beaker some experiment is going on. Imagine inside this beaker some reaction mixture is here inside this beaker. So the inner part of this beaker, there is experiment is going on, there is observation is made, and this inner part of system it is called system. Inner part of this beaker it is system. Remaining part mean this room. Okay, outside this beaker. Okay, outside this beaker, this is surrounding. So here we discuss system and surrounding. System mean part of universe in which observation is made. Remaining part of system called surrounding. Okay. Next one we have to understand here. See here I told you before one example. Reaction mixture inside this beaker. Okay, and inner part of this beaker it is system, and outside this beaker it is surrounding. And here this beaker, the wall of beaker it separates system and surrounding. The wall of beaker it separates system and surrounding. And this wall, the wall which separates system and surrounding called boundary. Boundary mean the wall which separates system and surrounding. Such type of wall called boundary. Clear? Okay, next one we have to understand here different type of system. There are three different type of system. Open system, closed system, isolated system. These are the three different type of system. Open system. Open system means system in which energy and matter can exchange with the surrounding. Open system means system in which energy and matter can exchange with the surrounding. Example for open system. Example for open system. Reaction mixture in a open container. Reaction mixture in a open container, open beaker. In open beaker, matter can exchange with the surrounding. Gas can escape outside. In open container, gaseous particle can exchange with the surrounding. Means matter will exchange with the surrounding. Also energy can exchange with the surrounding. That is open system. Reaction mixture in a open container, energy and matter can exchange with the surrounding. That is open system. Next one, closed system. Closed system means system in which matter cannot exchange with the surrounding. Matter cannot exchange with the surrounding, but energy exchange with the surrounding. Example, reaction mixture in a closed container. Reaction mixture in a closed container. It is closed container. So vapor or gaseous particles cannot escape outside. Matter cannot exchange with the surrounding. Only energy will exchange with the surrounding. That is closed system. Closed system means system in which energy exchange with the surrounding but not matter. That is closed system. Example for closed system, reaction mixture in a closed container. Third one, isolated system. Isolated system means system in which energy and matter cannot exchange with the surrounding. No energy and matter exchange with the surrounding. Example, reaction mixture in a sealed container. Reaction mixture in a insulated container. Or you can say reaction mixture in a thermoflask. Insulated container mean energy cannot exchange with the surrounding. Heat energy do not release outside. Or thermoflask, energy do not exchange with the surrounding. Okay, it is closed one. Thermoflask or insulated container, it is closed one. So matter also not exchanging with surrounding. So here third one, isolated system. Isolated system means system in which energy and matter cannot exchange with the surrounding. Example, reaction mixture in a closed thermoflask. Closed thermoflask. So matter and energy not exchange with the surrounding. Next one, we have to discuss here state of the system. Next one, we have to discuss here state of the system. State of the system mean conditions. Conditions of the system which describe in terms of some observable properties. Conditions of the system which described in terms of certain observable properties such as pressure, temperature, volume. These conditions are called state of the system. And here pressure, temperature, volume, this type of terms are called state variables. So here we discuss state of the system. State of the system means condition, certain conditions. Okay, these conditions of the system, these conditions are described by some observable properties. Observable properties such as pressure, temperature, volume. This is called state of the system. And here pressure, temperature, volume, etc. These are state variable. Okay. Next one, we have to discuss here state function. State function mean a physical quantity. State function mean a physical quantity whose value depends only state of the system and does not depends on the path of the system. Physical quantity, its value depends only state of the system and does not depends on the path. Such type of property, such type of physical quantity called state function. State function. See here, example for state function, potential energy. Potential energy, it is state function. See here, imagine a person on the top of the tower. A person on the top of the tower. Okay, this person can reach over here with help of ladder. Okay, a person on the top of the tower, he can reach on the top of the tower with help of ladder or with help of lift. With help of lift, he can reach on the top of the tower very easily. So energy required to reach on the top of the tower is different. When he use lift and tower, use lift or ladder, the person use different type of energy. Okay, but the person on the top, he has potential energy. This potential energy independent how he reached on the top of the tower. Okay, so here we discussed one example here. A person on the top of tower, he can reach on the top of the tower in different way using lift or using ladder. Anyway, he can reach on the top of the tower. Okay, so he using different type of energy to reach on the top of tower. Okay, after reaching on the top of the tower, he experienced a potential energy. This potential energy independent how he reached on the top of the tower. This potential energy independent on the path how he reached. Its mean potential energy is independent. Its path mean here potential energy is a state function. You understand? Potential energy is a state function. Look here, next one. Here, the state of thermodynamic system. State of thermodynamic system can be described with help of measurable properties or with help of macroscopic properties. Okay, state of thermodynamic system can be described with help of measurable properties or macroscopic properties. For example, imagine some gas. Imagine here the properties of gas can be explained with help of temperature, pressure, volume. So here temperature, pressure, volume. These are the properties which helps to describe the property or state of gas, pressure, volume and temperature. And here this pressure, volume and temperature, it is called state variable or state function. Okay, pressure, volume, temperature are example for state function or state variables. State function or state variables. Okay, it helps to explain the state of or property of gas. Clear? Okay, next one we have to discuss here internal energy. Internal energy represented by capital letter U. Internal energy means total energy of a system. Total energy of a system. This is called internal energy. Total energy means electrical energy, chemical energy, potential energy. All this, sum of all this type of energy of a system called internal energy. Internal energy of the system will change in different conditions. Internal energy means total energy of a system, that is internal energy. Internal energy of the system will change in different conditions. For example, here a system absorb heat energy or release heat energy, then its internal energy will be changed. Or system, work done on the system, or work done by the system, internal energy will be changed. Another one, some amount of matter enter into the system or some amount of matter leave from the system, then internal energy will be changed. So here we discuss internal energy means total amount of energy, sum of all type of energy of a system called internal energy. Internal energy represented by capital letter U. Okay, internal energy of the system will change in different conditions. For example, a system absorbed heat or released heat, or work done on the system or work done by the system, or some kind of matter enter into the system or matter leave from the system. Okay, all this situation, internal energy of the system will be changed. Clear? Okay, so we discussed here internal energy. We discussed internal energy of the system. We can change internal energy in different way. Okay, so here first we have to discuss here work. Work helps to change internal energy. When we did some work on the system or work done by the system, internal energy of the system will be changed. Okay, so here consider some water in a thermo flask. Consider some amount of water in a thermo flask, or water or reaction mixture. Water or some chemical reaction mixture in a thermo flask, or reaction mixture in a beaker, insulated beaker. Thermo flask or insulated beaker. Inside this insulated beaker or thermo flask, there is some water or reaction mixture. It is insulated beaker or thermo flask. So we know it is isolated system, and here heat cannot exchange with the surrounding. Okay, there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. This type of systems are called adiabatic system. This type of system called adiabatic system. Adiabatic system means heat energy change zero. Heat energy change, we will represent heat energy Q. Okay, delta Q, or we can say dq. Dq means change in heat energy. Change in heat energy, exchange of heat. There is no exchange of heat. So here dq will be 0. This type of systems are called adiabatic system. Okay, and here adiabatic wall. Adiabatic wall means the wall it separate system and the surrounding. The wall it separate adiabatic system and the surrounding. Such type of wall called adiabatic wall. Okay. Also here consider state A. Consider a particular state of this system. Consider A is the state of this particular system. Okay. And here at state A, temperature of this system, temperature of this particular system at state A, temperature is TA. Temperature is TA, and internal energy of this system at a particular state A is UA. So here same system at a particular state A, and here is temperature. Imagine its temperature TA and its internal energy UA. Okay, and we can change internal energy. We can change internal energy of this system by applying work. We can apply work in different way. We can apply work manually, or we can apply work with electricity. Okay, so we have to discuss here. We can change internal energy of this system by applying work. Okay, so here we will apply work in two different way. Okay, so we have to discuss here changing internal energy of this system by applying work in two different way. Okay, so we discussed here we can change internal energy of the system by applying work. We will discuss here two different ways to apply work. So this is the first method. We will apply work on the water with help of small paddle. With help of small paddle, we will apply some work. Work here 1 kilojoule. 1 kilojoule work we applied on the water with help of small paddle, and there is some movement of water because of this work, because of the movement of paddle, there is some movement of water. Okay, and we know state of the system was A. After applying this work, state of the system changed to state B. Before it was state A. Now we applied work and state changed to state B. And temperature TA changed to TB. Internal energy changed to UB. Internal energy, before it was UA, now internal energy changed to UB. Now we can say change in temperature. State A changed to state B. During this change, temperature changed, delta T equal to TB minus TA, and internal energy during this process UB minus UA. Clear? Okay, next one we have to discuss here second method to change internal energy. First case we changed the internal energy with help of small paddle. Here second case we will apply some electrical energy. We will apply some electrical energy. The quantity of energy same like before, 1 kilojoule. We will apply electrical energy into reaction mixture or water with help of one immersion rod. With the help of one immersion rod, we will apply electrical energy into reaction mixture. Okay, and here after applying energy, the state of system will change to state B. Before it was state A. After applying energy, state A changed to state B. Temperature TA changed to TB. Internal energy UA changed to UB. And we can measure here change in temperature TB minus TA. Change in internal energy UB minus UA. Okay. So here we did two experiments. We changed the internal energy in two different ways. With help of small paddle, with second one by applying electrical energy. In both cases we measured delta T and delta U. Okay, we did two experiments. In both experiments we measured change in temperature, also we measure change in internal energy. So we can observe that change in temperature and change in internal energy in both cases same. Okay, we changed the internal energy of the system by applying same quantity of work, but we did work in different way. First one with help of small paddle, second one with help of electrical energy, but the quantity of energy same, 1 kilojoule, but the way of applying work is different. Okay, but in both cases change in temperature and change in internal energy same. So here this experiment showing that change in internal energy does not depend the way of work. How we did the work does not depend in change in internal energy. It depends only the amount of work done. Both case 1 kilojoule. This is the work done. Okay, so we can say here change in internal energy equal to W. Change in internal energy equal to work done. Okay, so here this experiment showing that change in internal energy is a state function. Clear? Okay, we discussed here change in internal energy with work. Next one we have to discuss here change in internal energy with heat. If a system absorbs heat energy or release heat energy, internal energy of the system will be changed. Okay, here a system absorbed or release heat energy, so there will be heat transfer. There will be change in heat. Okay, so this heat transfer represented by Q. heat transfer of a system represented by Q. Okay, and here we have to remember here the positive value. A system can absorb heat energy from surrounding. Okay, so in this case the value of Q will be positive. Q positive means system absorbing heat energy from surrounding. Similarly, Q negative, Q minus mean system release heat energy. System give out heat energy to surrounding. Clear? And Q0 mean there is no heat change. Okay, and it is adiabatic process. And we discussed before work, WAD, it represents work done in adiabatic process. Work done in adiabatic process mean there is no heat change. We will do some work in a system and there is no change in heat. That is work done in adiabatic system. Okay, W positive, W plus mean work done on the system. Okay, work done positive, the positive value of work done showing work done on the system, work done on the system. W minus mean work done by the system. So remember this symbol. Q plus, Q positive mean heat absorbed by system. Q minus mean heat released by system. W positive mean work done on the system. W positive mean work done on the system. W minus mean work done by the system. Clear? Okay, so here we have to discuss here change in internal energy with heat. So here we have to take some water in a container. The wall of container is a conducting material. We have to take water in a container. Okay, water in a container. This container made up of metal such as copper or aluminium. Okay, because this wall of container is a conducting material. Okay, and this water with copper container or aluminium container, we have to keep it in a water bath. We have to keep this in hot water. So we have some water in a container. The wall of container is a conducting material and we have to keep this water in a water bath. This water bath which contains hot water. Okay, so here imagine TA is the temperature of water. Okay, the initial temperature of water. Initial temperature of water in this container. After we kept this container in hot water bath, water will absorb temperature. Water will absorb heat. Okay, then temperature will change to TB. This is initial temperature. After absorbing heat from water bath, temperature or heat change to TB. So here change in temperature we can measure. Change in temperature is, change in temperature means, or change in temperature, or you can say heat transfer. We discussed already here the heat difference between system and the surrounding, it will represent Q. So change in temperature or change in heat between system and the surrounding, this is TB minus TA. TB minus TA. Okay, final temperature minus initial temperature. We know already TB minus TA equal to delta U. TB minus TA, this change in heat, that is internal energy. So we can say change in internal energy equal to heat energy. Change in internal energy, delta U equal to Q. Change in internal energy will be equal to heat transfer between system and surrounding. Okay. Okay, next one we have to discuss here another method to change internal energy. We already discussed change in internal energy with work, change in internal energy with with the heat transfer. Now third case, change in internal energy by a process in which both work done and heat. A process in which both work done, also there is heat transfer. So in such case, change in internal energy will be equal to Q plus W. Q plus W. We know change in internal energy equal to Q when there is only heat transfer. Change in internal energy equal to W if there is only work done. Now third case, change in internal energy, there is both work done and heat transfer. So we can say change in internal energy delta U equal to Q plus W. Q plus W. Clear? And here the value of Q and W will be changed according to the system, according to the condition. We know W will be plus W or minus W. Q also positive Q, negative Q, depends on the situation. Okay, sometime we know Q will be minus Q mean here heat released from the system. Positive Q mean heat absorbed by system. Similarly, there is positive W, also negative W. Positive W mean work done on the system, work done on the system. Okay, and negative W mean work done by the system. Okay, so depends on this condition, the equation will change. Now this is the equation in third case, delta U equal to Q plus W, but this Q plus W, it will change depends on the situation. In some case, imagine one case, if there is W is 0, work done 0, so change in internal energy delta U equal to Q. Some case, adiabatic process, Q equal to 0, change in heat transfer 0, so change in internal energy delta U equal to W. Okay, see here, this is another situation, delta U equal to Q plus W. If there is work done by the system, so we can say delta U equal to Q minus W. Q minus W. So depends on the situation, this equation will change. Okay, delta U equal to Q, heat absorbed by system. Delta U equal to minus Q, heat released by system. Okay, delta U equal to W, here heat transfer, Q 0 and W positive, so work done on the system. Delta U equal to minus W, heat transfer, Q 0, okay, and W minus W, so work done by the system. So depends on the situation, the value of Q and W will be changed. Accordingly, this equation will change. Okay. And this equation is the mathematical representation of first law of thermodynamics. Okay. Delta U equal to Q plus W. Delta U equal to Q plus W. Change in internal energy equal to Q plus W. Q mean heat transfer, W mean work done. So delta U equal to Q plus W. Okay. So this is the mathematical representation of first law of thermodynamics. Clear? And here first law of thermodynamics state that energy of isolated system is constant. Energy of isolated system, we know isolated system. So energy of isolated system is constant. Okay, this is the statement of first law of thermodynamics. Also, first law of thermodynamics state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, so these are the statements of first law of thermodynamics. Okay, so here all these equations are correct according to first law of thermodynamics. Delta U equal to Q plus W, delta U equal to Q, here work done 0. Okay, so all these equations are correct according to first law of thermodynamics. So we have to check on the condition. delta U equal to Q. Here work done is 0. Also heat absorbed by system. So it is correct according to first law of thermodynamics. Okay, so these are the things we have to discuss in this video. Rest of the things we will discuss next video. So thank you for watching this channel.